guys, welcome back to another video. Back on Crestfield Farm, day 2, season 2. Let's get into it. Start off with the farmer's son's new David Brown has just arrived, David Brown 996, and he's just checking it out. It's been newly restored and it looks really good. He's also got 3650 out this morning. He's going to go up and do some log splitting. And on this farm, hopefully they're going to try and get silage done in the next week or so. Moving on over here, we've just got the hedge cutter parked up. The farm manager's Land Rover is just there as well. And in the shed, we've just got the forage harvester parked up along with the 7310R, the combine, and 5820 as well. Okay, so moving on into this field, we've got the 8345R on the Fortuna trailer, and he's just cutting some muck up to a farm who needs some muck to spread on his after his silage, because we've got plenty here, so just taking some up to them. Now over here to the main area, main action. The 6820 is on the Cane Classic, and basically they're just they've hired a field outside the farm, and they're also borrowing their silage forage harvester, because our forage harvester isn't fitted for silage. So the 6920 is on the Cane Classic, and he's just come back from a load ready to dump in the pit. The 6250R is just dumping its load into the pit. We've got the JCB telehandler, the 550 on the pit with the buck rake. As you can see in there, just starting to get some silage in there. The cows are still in here, and after we've cut silage in these two fields, they'll be going in there just to finish off a couple of the missed bits, maybe stuff like that. I've moved the stables from out of the little field over there, and it's gone up here now. So, yep, stables. They've got a couple of hay bales there. We've got the Howard muck spreader, which is the David Brown's going to be going on after silage. Nothing much going on in the stables. Got the Land Rover on the I4 Williams horse box. They've just taken a horse back who was a bit lame. They've got the farmer's wife and their son, and they're just out on another ride. The log splitting area is looking pretty calm at the moment. Obviously the 3650 is coming up to do some splitting later on, and the trailer is full, so going to get the little Ford 6000 on that, just cart it away. And lastly, they've got a little post hole digger there as well, because they're going to be putting up some fencing soon. Thank you very much, guys, for watching. If you are new, please feel free to subscribe, and please do comment and like the video. Thank you, and see you next time. Bye.